If Microsoft Word is giving you error code 772, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can help get Word running again in just a few steps. This is a simple troubleshooting method that often works when Word is having problems launching properly or the Office service is stuck in the background. So if you want to save time and avoid reinstalling everything right away, stay with me and follow along. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run Dialog box, which is a fast way to access important Windows tools. Now type services.msc into the box and press Enter. This will open the services window where Windows lists all of the background services running on your computer. Once the services window opens, scroll through the list carefully until you find Microsoft Office Click to Run service. This service is important because it helps Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word run properly on your system. If it gets stuck or stops responding, it can cause errors like the one you're seeing now. After you locate Microsoft Office Click to Run service, right-click on it. A menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Restart. Restarting the service gives it a fresh start and can clear out temporary issues that may be causing the Word error code 772. After clicking Restart, wait a few seconds and give the service enough time to stop and start again completely. Don't rush this part because sometimes the fix only works after the service has fully restarted. Once that is done, close the services window. Now open Microsoft Word again and check to see whether the error is gone. In many cases, Word should now launch normally without showing error code 772. If that fixed the problem, great, you're all set. And if it didn't, you may want to repeat the steps carefully and make sure the Microsoft Office Click to Run service was actually restarted. This quick method is one of the easiest ways to troubleshoot Word errors without making big changes to your computer. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want help with another Microsoft Word or Office problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.